In this video, we will learn about how we can connect Power BI desktop with Google Analytics, and then we will fetch some dimensions and facts, and we will display these facts and dimensions with the help of a radar or a spider chart. So for this, we just need to click get data, and then we have to click more. After this, you can search here, for example, Google and Google Analytics. Connect, and then you will get one message that connecting to a third-party service. Just click continue. After entering the login details, you will get all your data from the Google Analytics. If you have added one, two, three, or any number of websites in it, you will see all those websites. So for this demo, we just need, for example, if you click here, page tracking, we are just looking for example, browser, and after this, we need sessions, and then we will see in the time we need date, and the traffic sources, for example, organic searches, and you can also take new users, and after this we just need some more fields, as you can also take browsers and the device category. In the geo network, we need, for example, countries, this one. So I think that's all. We just need to click load, and here you can see we got this data. If you click in the tab, in the data tab, you will see all the fields that we have selected: the country, browser, device category, date, session. After this, we can just rename this table like GA for Google Analytics, and then you need to click here, get more visuals, and here you have to search, for example, radar, and just take the first one, add. So you can see here radar chart is being imported here, and then you just take one table and take the like a country, and you can also take sessions, for example, this one. So, and if I sort it, so you can see the United States has a lot of sessions, then India, United Kingdom, Australia, and so on. And you can see this data. After this, you just select this table and then click the radar. And here you can see, because some of the countries have very less data and some of the countries are very large data, for example, United States. So what we can do here, just click the session, and then we will say, okay, less than, for example, 1500, apply. Still a lot of data, and then we can add one more condition here. For example, less than equal to 300. So between these two numbers, we will get all the data just for the demonstration purpose. And it is still very big, 1000 or the 1200, or we can take, for example, 500. Here we need greater than, not less than. It's greater than or equal to, and the above is a less than. And we can take, for example, 300. So here you can see we are getting this data, and we can also take, for example, 500, 1500, and here we can take 500, this one. So here you can see this is the data that we are getting here. You can see all the countries, and these are the data points here. And we can add one more, for example, new users, this one. And we can add some color here. Okay, for example, this one. And here you can see the maximum session is 1277, and the number of users are 1133. So we need to add one target here. So we just need to click home and click on the modeling tab. Then you just need to go to you just need to add one measure here, new measure, and we will say here target is equal to 1000, this one. That's all. And after this we will add this target. This one. So here you can see this is our target, that everywhere you can see 1000. And for example, we can also change the color stuff here, data color. And for the new user we will add here, for example. And after this we can add one date filter. So we don't need hierarchy, just click date, and then we need to add one slicer here. And for the slicer we can increase the size. So here you can see if we increase it, so you can see, you can analyze the results according to your requirement. So in this video we have seen how we have connected the Power BI to the Google Analytics, drag some fields, then we have added one spider chart, then we have imported spider chart from the marketplace, and then we added our target static target here, how many users were there, and then you can compare new users with the sessions and also with the uh, static target. So that's all about this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any question, please write in the comment section. Thank you.